All right, now that we have our scale formula, I'm going to show you how to verify. So let's just pick a random key. Let's see. Let's say, let's do E. So the name of the scale is always the first and last note. Name of the scale is always the first and last note. So we can put our E here, and we can put our E here. All right, now, also, we can safely just write our musical alphabet after we did the name of the scale. So we have E, after E is F, G, oh no, we got the G, we got to go back to A, B, C, D. All right, now we have to verify, are these intervals actually correct? So E to F, is that a whole step? No, because we haven't skipped anything. So we have to sharp it. Okay, F sharp to G becomes a half step now, so we have to sharp this as well. All right, G sharp to A is already a half step. We don't skip anything from G sharp to A, so we're good now. A to B is a whole step. We've skipped A sharp. B to C is a half step, so we have to sharp that. Okay, C sharp to D becomes a half step, so we need a whole step. We have to sharp D. And now that we have D sharp to E, we have a half step already. And to really, if you really want to know you're right, you can verify what did you skip. So from E to F sharp, we skipped F. From F sharp to G sharp, we skipped G. From G sharp to A, there was no skipping involved, so we're good. A to B, we skipped A sharp. Remember, these notes do have two names to them, sharp names and flat names. B to C sharp, we skipped C natural. C sharp to D sharp, we skipped D natural. And D sharp to E, we didn't have to skip anything, so we're all good.